Our planet hides within its crust some of the rarest and most beautiful treasures known to humankind. Beyond diamonds and emeralds lies a world of extraordinary minerals, gems so rare only a handful have ever been found. These are geological miracles formed by unique conditions deep within the earth. Each tells a story, written in crystal and light, spanning millions of years. Today we'll explore 10 of the world's rarest gemstones and the remarkable stories behind their discovery. Join me as we uncover the planet's most exclusive and precious jewels. Our journey begins in the heart of Myanmar, a land rich in history and natural wonders, where bustling city streets and tranquil villages set the stage for an extraordinary discovery. In the 1950s, a British mineralogist named Arthur Charles Davy Payne stumbled upon a mysterious reddish-brown crystal while searching through a collection of rough gemstones. At first, the stone was thought to be a type of ruby due to its striking colour and lustre. However, as experts examined its unique properties, they realized it was unlike anything seen before. This led to the identification of a completely new mineral, which would later be named painite in honor of its discoverer. For decades, only a single painite crystal was known to exist anywhere in the world, earning it the reputation as the world's rarest gemstone and captivating the imagination of collectors and scientists alike. The odds of boron and zirconium atoms coming together in nature to form painite are astronomically low. These elements rarely bond, making the natural creation of painite nearly impossible and adding to its mystique. Even today, despite modern advances in mineralogy and gemstone hunting, gem-quality painite remains vanishingly rare. The original specimen continues to serve as the benchmark for all others. This single remarkable discovery not only reshaped our understanding of mineral rarity, but also inspired generations of gemologists to keep searching for the next great find. Sometimes all it takes is one extraordinary stone to create a legend that endures through the ages, reminding us of the wonders still hidden within our world. In Utah's Wawa Mountains, a fiery red gem called red beryl, sometimes called red emerald, was discovered. Its vivid color comes from rare manganese ions, and gem-quality crystals are found only at the ruby-violet claim. Most stones are tiny, a 1-carat red beryl is a giant, and larger ones are almost unheard of. For every 150,000 diamonds, only one red beryl is found. These gems are so rare that most never reach jewelry, instead coveted by collectors. Their value often surpasses that of diamonds, making red beryl a true American treasure. Proof that the rarest wonders can come in the smallest packages. In 1967, deep within the remote and rugged Musgrave Ranges of Australia, a remarkable discovery was made, a mineral almost identical to the rare tuffite. This new find was named musgravite, after the very region where it was unearthed, and it quickly piqued the curiosity of geologists and gemologists alike. For many years, musgravite remained a scientific mystery, nearly impossible to distinguish from its cousin tuffite without the use of advanced laboratory testing and specialized equipment. It wasn't until 1993 that the very first gem-quality musgravite was officially identified, marking a turning point and elevating it to the status of a true gemstone rarity in the world of collectors. The unique blend of elements and the precise geological conditions required for musgravite's formation are so rare that only a handful of faceable stones have ever been found across the globe, making each one exceptionally valuable. For decades, many musgravite specimens were likely misidentified as other minerals, quietly hiding in plain sight among collections and in laboratories, their true identity masked by their close resemblance to more common stones. Today, fewer than 20 confirmed faceable musgravite stones are known to exist worldwide, underscoring just how elusive and precious this gemstone truly is. The story of musgravite serves as a powerful reminder that even within familiar collections, there may be extraordinary treasures waiting to be discovered, hidden in plain sight. Sometimes the rarest gems are found not by searching far and wide, but simply by looking a little closer and questioning what we think we already know. On Madagascar's southern coast, grandidierite was first discovered in 1902. a blue-green mineral known only from a few opaque crystals. For nearly a century, transparent face-stable grandidierite was thought impossible. That changed in 2000 when a new deposit yielded the first transparent crystal weighing just 0.29 carats. This tiny gem proved the legend true. Grandidierite could exist as a gemstone. Even now, transparent specimens are incredibly rare and command astronomical prices. Most material remains opaque, making each clear stone a marvel. Grandidierite is a ghostly rarity, beautiful, elusive, and almost never seen. Sometimes the rarest gems are those that seem like myths. In the remote, icy expanse of Siberia, 1883 marked a quiet but significant discovery. Pale blue Jeremejevite crystals, delicate and ethereal, were unearthed by Russian mineralogists. These early crystals, though captivating in colour, were disappointingly tiny, far too small to be cut into gemstones or set into jewellery. Yet their beauty hinted at a greater potential, sparking curiosity among collectors and gem enthusiasts. Nearly a century later, halfway across the world, fortune smiled again. In Namibia's rugged Erongo Mountains, miners uncovered a new deposit of Jeremejevite. This time, the crystals dazzled with vivid blue hues and crucially were large enough to be faceted into gemstones, finally revealing the gem's true brilliance. However, the Namibian find was modest in size and quickly depleted. The supply of gem-quality Jeremejevite was so limited that it became instantly coveted among collectors, its rarity only adding to its allure. Only a handful of flawless crystals have ever been found. Each one is like a fragment of the sky, forever locked in stone, a fleeting glimpse of nature's artistry. The finest specimen, with its deep, mesmerizing blue, set a benchmark for all others, becoming the standard by which every Jeremejevite is judged. Today, Jeremejevite stands as one of the world's rarest and most sought-after blue gemstones, treasured by connoisseurs and museums alike. Its remarkable story bridges continents and centuries, showing how nature can hide the same secret deep within distant lands, waiting for the right moment to reveal its wonders. Jeremejevite is a true treasure of both Siberia and Africa, a rare gem that unites two worlds under the same sky. In Sri Lanka, the discovery of serendibite in 1902 gave us both a rare mineral and the word serendipity. For decades, only opaque blackish stones were known. Then, in the late 1990s, transparent blue-green serendibite was found in Myanmar's Mogok Valley. Only 3 faceted stones were known at first, each commanding extraordinary prices. The unique geology of Mogok makes this gem a true geological fluke. Serendibite's story is one of chance and rarity. 2 locations, 2 histories, 1 breathtaking gem. To own one is to hold a beautiful accident of nature. Serendipity in its purest form. In 1945, Count Edward Tuffer discovered a pale mauve stone in a Dublin jeweller's parcel, noticing it was doubly refractive, unlike spinel. Analysis revealed a new mineral tuffite, the only gemstone first identified from a cut stone. For years, only the original 1.41 carat gem existed. Later, a few more were found, mostly by re-examining stones misidentified as spinel. Tuffite remains one of the world's rarest gems, with only a handful known. Its discovery was pure chance, a reward for careful observation. Sometimes the rarest treasures are hiding in plain sight. 1 stone, 1 story, a new chapter in gemology. In Quebec's Mont Saint-Hilaire, the Poudrette family discovered tiny pink crystals in the 1960s. Named poudretite, the mineral was known only from microscopic specimens for decades. Then, in 2000, a single gem-quality crystal was found in Myanmar's Mogok Valley. This purplish-pink stone, faceted to 0.9 carats, became the world's first true poudretite gem. Its discovery linked a remote Canadian quarry to Asia's legendary gem fields. Only a few more have been found since, all fiercely sought after. Poudretite's story is one of global connection and astonishing rarity. Sometimes a single stone can put a mineral on the map. In Australia's opal fields, black opal reigns supreme, but one specimen stands alone, the Virgin Rainbow. Discovered in 2003, this 72-carat opalized fossil glows in the dark and displays a full spectrum of color. Formed inside a prehistoric belemnite, its play of color is unmatched, like a trapped galaxy. The virgin rainbow is valued at over $1 million and is truly one of a kind. It's not just a gemstone, but a piece of ancient life transformed into pure light. No other opalized fossil matches its brilliance or rarity. The virgin rainbow is the ultimate testament to nature's artistry. For centuries, blue garnets were thought impossible, until the late 1990s, when a color-change garnet was found in Madagascar. In daylight, it appears blue-green. Under incandescent light, it shifts to purplish pink or red. The secret is vanadium, creating a gem that rewrote the rulebook. These stones are incredibly rare, with only a few found worldwide. In 2017, a 4.2 carat specimen sold for $1.5 million, the most expensive garnet ever. This single gem became the icon of its type, a benchmark of perfection. Blue garnets prove that even well-studied minerals can surprise us. Sometimes the earth reveals a color we never thought possible. From accidental discoveries to prehistoric fire, we've journeyed across the globe in search of the rarest gems. Each stone is a masterpiece born from impossible odds and unique geological events. Their rarity elevates them beyond adornment. They are the Earth's true wonders. These gems remind us that there are still secrets waiting to be unearthed. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world's rarest treasures. The Earth's miracles are indeed one of a kind.